The first talk is the Dr. Simon Gladman. So Galaxy Australia, a key partner in the global rapid response to the COVID-19 pandemic. So please start.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Simon Gladman from Melbourne Bioinformatics, and I work for Galaxy Australia. And today, I'm going to talk to you about Galaxy Australia's role in the response to the COVID-19 pandemic. But first, I need to tell you a little bit about what Galaxy Australia is. So Galaxy Australia is a hosted web-based platform that lets anybody conduct accessible, reproducible, and transparent computational and life sciences research. It's part of the global Galaxy usegalaxy.star collaboration between large public Galaxy servers, and our URL is usegalaxy.eu. So early on in the pandemic, there was quite a race to publication. Researchers from all over the world were beginning to focus their efforts on COVID-19. People were shifting to COVID-19. There were a lot of preprints that appeared very, very quickly in bioRxiv and other preprint servers, but there didn't seem to be a lot of public sharing of the data or the methods. And some of these methods were very poorly described. There wasn't a lot of data around. And we know that there's quite diverse analyses required for working on COVID-19. We need to think about genomics and proteomics and cheminformatics and whole bunches of other types of analyses. And also tool selection and analysis techniques are quite complex, right? So what we wanted to do was we wanted to make it easier and more reproducible for everybody, for anybody, anywhere in the world. So what did we do? We decided to collate and reanalyze all of the public data. So everything that was available publicly in any of the servers anywhere, we decided that we were going to try and reanalyze it all and bring it all together. And in the process, we were going to create reproducible, sensible analysis workflows for COVID-19 that anyone could run on any Galaxy server anywhere around the world. And what do I mean by anywhere around the world? Well, usegalaxy.star is a collaboration between large Galaxy servers in Australia, in Europe, in the US, and coming online soon will be our Galaxy India, as well as some other Galaxy servers around the world. And we're a collaboration. We do a lot of sharing of data and resources to do large analyses. So we downloaded all data from everything we could get our hands on from the SRA or anywhere else that we could find COVID-19 data. And then we made it all publicly accessible via our GitHub site at covid19.galaxyproject.org. We performed 6 different types of analysis on this data and produced workflows for it all. We used 5 different Galaxy servers around the world, including Galaxy Australia, to perform the analysis. And the workflows and the tools were available on all of the servers. And we thought that was really important. And the workload was also shared amongst the global servers. And everything that we did was reproducible across multiple servers. So we worked on things like genomics and evolution, and cheminformatics, proteomics, and direct RNA sequencing and amplicon-based sequencing. In the genomics section, for example, we did things like assembly, MRCA timing, variation analysis, and selection and recombination. And all of this work was published in bioRxiv and since in PLOS ONE. If you want more information about what we did and where we're going, you can check out Elixir Europe. We have 5 webinars there of all of our results, including genomics, cheminformatics, and the evolution of the virus, as well as how we put together the global infrastructure network to be able to do this analysis. And lastly, I would like to acknowledge all of the other people around the globe that worked on it, including people from Galaxy in the US, Galaxy in Europe, and all of our hardware suppliers and all of our collaborators. So thank you very much, and now I'll open for questions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So I have a short question. So I think so. Galaxy is very useful tool. So it's a kind of workflow for bioinformatics analysis. And can you compare with the another platform or workflow tool also? How do you evaluate the effectiveness of your platform? Thank you.
So are you talking something like Nextflow or SnakeMake or something like that?
Yeah, so, something like that, yeah.
Okay, so so Nextflow and SnakeMake are very programmatic applications where the person using that system must be able to understand programming to be able to link all the steps together in a Nextflow or in a SnakeMake, whereas Galaxy has a graphical user interface for building workflows. And so as long as the tool is installed in Galaxy, you can create a nice blank canvas and add tools to it and join them together in a nice graphical way and then run that workflow.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Is there any other question? So if not, so let's move on to the next talk. So thank you very much.